what is up? Welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, please subscribe and leave a like on this video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make a good spear. So without further ado, let's hop into it. So first you want to find a good stick. It took me about 5 minutes to find a good stick because the factors you need is a strong stick, one that is about as long as you, and one that is sturdy. After you've found your good stick, you want to get out your knife and start whittling it. Whether you want it to be really nice and really look good, or you just want it to be plain and you just need to use it for survival, you want to make a good handhold. Now a handhold is where you're gonna throw it from. So mine would be about right here. It's a little farther to the back, so that's how you figure out your handhold. So now I'm gonna start carving it and I'll update you guys when I'm back. So just a quick tip, the shavings that you get from whittling it can be used as string, like this one, or they can be used for fire starting. So you want to save these. After you finish whittling, you want to sand it down to make it really smooth. And then the classic old spearhead, you want to create kind of a spear tip. And mine's too thin because once it goes into the animal, or the ground, it will break. So you need to do one that's kind of thicker than this, but not too thick. Those are all the steps to making a good spear. So now just a quick demonstration on how to throw one. You grip it where you want, where I showed you how to make a handle, and then you step, and throw. And you can see mine stuck in the ground. But it's spear throwing is hard and it will come to you over practice. Thank you guys so much for watching and showing me that support. And if you could please subscribe and like this video, that would be great. And be sure not to miss my next video, 10 items to pack for the coronavirus outbreak. So thank you and bye.